Dear students, in the last video I explained how the product of two matrices is defined. When the product of two matrices is defined and how it is defined by taking examples. Now today the topic is rank of a matrix. I start this topic, rank of a matrix. Before going to define rank of a matrix, you have to study what is minor of a matrix. I consider minor of a matrix definition and also explain by taking examples. Submatrix I have already defined. What is submatrix? Submatrix means from a given matrix A, if you leave certain rows and columns, then the matrix obtained is called submatrix of A. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the given matrix A. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us take 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 6. What is this order of the matrix? Order of the matrix is it is 3 by 4. Am I correct? 3 by 4 because 3 rows, 4 columns. Now from this matrix, if you leave some columns and rows and form a new matrix, then that is called submatrix. It is called submatrix. Now I leave first row, first column. Then I write A1 is 5, 6, 1, 8, 9, 6. It is called submatrix of A. Similarly, you have many submatrices here. First row, first column, and first row, first column as well as second column. If you leave first row, first and second columns, you will get 6, 1, 9, 6. It is also submatrix. That is the definition of submatrix. Now see the definition of minor of a matrix. That is important. Minor of a matrix is, suppose A is any matrix, maybe square matrix or matrix of the rectangular matrix, any order here like this 3 by 4 or m by n matrix. A is any matrix of order m by n, then the determinant of, you have studied this also, determinant of the square submatrix of A is called the minor of A. Minor of A. Try to understand the definition because the complete topic rank of a matrix is defined in terms of this minor of a matrix. What is the definition? Suppose A is a matrix of any order, then the determinant of the square submatrix, say here, go to the previous example, I have taken matrix A, I have written 2 submatrices here. This is not square, but this is square submatrix. The determinant of the square submatrix of A is called minor of A. A given matrix has not only one minor, it may have many minors. This is the matrix, and what is the minor of A? It is the determinant of the square submatrix of A. For example, this is 3 by 4 matrix, and here you can have maximum third order square submatrix, third order, and therefore you can have a minor of order 3 here, minor of order 3 and minor of order 2, and every element of the matrix is known as the minor of order 1. Now you know the determinant of a square matrix. That separate topic you have studied in PUC classes. You have studied some properties of determinants, and you have used that determinants in solving linear equations also. So I do not do all the revisions of that determinant, but I explain what is the determinant of second and third order. Suppose A is A11, A12, A21, A22. Then what is determinant A? See, matrix is only arrangement of numbers. It has no value. You cannot say that value of this matrix is some real number. It is arrangement of real numbers or even complex numbers. It is only arrangement of numbers. But this square matrices, only square matrices are associated with or related with real numbers, and they are called determinants of square matrices. Suppose A is a square matrix of order 2. Any square matrix of order 2, that is important, 2. Then determinant A is defined as, denoted by this notation, A11, A12, A21, A22, and it is equal to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Therefore, this square matrix is related with real number. It is called its determinant. So determinant you have studied, and it is defined like this. Determinant A is denoted by this notation, and its value is this. See this example. What is the determinant of A2? Determinant of A2 is denoted by this. It is equal to determinant 6196. Therefore, it is 36 minus 9, 27. Therefore, so it is the arrangement of numbers, but this arrangement is related with that number, and it is called its determinant. I think this much explanation is sufficient. About determinant, this is sufficient. Finally, you remember only this one. What is that? If A is square matrix of order 2, A11, A12, A21, A22, what is its determinant? A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Now, what is the determinant of order 3? Suppose A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then determinant A is determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. See the notation here. Determinant, this is matrix, and its value is, its value is A11 into determinant A22, A23, and A32, A33, second order determinant, minus A12 into A21, A23, A31, A33, plus A13 into determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. See, this is the definition of determinant of matrix of order 3. This you have already studied. Only to just remind the definition, I once again written here. Definition of determinant of square matrix of order 2, determinant of square matrix of order 3. It is defined like this. Determinant A is A11 into, you have to leave the row and column. A11 into second order determinant A22, A23, A32, A33, minus A12 into, you have to leave first row, second column, A21, A23, A31, A33, plus A13 into, leave now third column, first row, third column, A21, A22, A31, A32. And you know how to expand this determinant. Second order. Here, beginning we have defined second order determinant. Expand, you will get the value of this as a real number. That is called determinant of this square matrix of order 3. Thus we define determinants. Further you have studied many properties of these determinants and how to use properties of determinants. Many properties are there, but that is not the topic here. Our topic is rank of a matrix, but in rank of a matrix we come across determinants. That is why I explained the definition of determinant, order 2, order 3. Now, therefore, what is minor of a matrix? Minor of a matrix is, it is the determinant of square submatrix. It is important, square submatrix, because only square submatrix has a determinant. Minor of a matrix is determinant of square submatrix. Now, I take some example how to compute the minors. Compute the minors of the matrix 1 2 3, 2 0 1 and 3 2 4. Compute all the minors of this matrix. Of course, I have taken here squares matrix. It is of order 3 by 3. This square matrix has always determinant. Therefore, if you take a determinant of this, I denote this by determinant is, it is minor of A. Minor means a given matrix may has many minors. Understand that one? Now, first minor is here, determinant A itself, it is the minor of order 3. Determinant is, minor of order 3 is, determinant is 1 2 3, 2 0 1, 3 2 4. Calculate this. I think you can even calculate the value of this faster than me. You try this, calculate. How do you expand this? 1 into 0 1 2 4 minus 2 into 2 1 3 4 plus 3 into 2 0 3 2. Am I correct here? 1 into 0 1 2 4 minus 2 into 2 1 3 4 plus 3 into 2 0 3 2. It is 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 plus 3 into 4. So what is this? Minus 10 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12. It is 0. So what is the minor of this matrix of order 3? This is important. Minor of order 3 is 0. Minor of order 3 is 0. Yes, order 3 0. Now consider minors of order 2. Order 2. In this case, we have many minors of order 2 here. How many? 12 minors of order 2 are there. And there is no hard and fast rule to write the minors. How do you write the minors? It is the determinant of square submatrix. Submatrix means you have to delete certain rows and columns from the given matrix. Then the matrix obtained is called submatrix. But you have to take the determinant of that submatrix. It is called minor of the matrix. Now, I calculate minors of order 2. I write here in some definite way so that I may not miss any minor here. All the minors of order 2 I have to write. I take this as first as M11, then M12, M13 and so on. This is not a standard notation. For convenience I have taken this. M11 means leave first row, first column. What do you get? 0, 1, 2, 4. This is minus 2. So second order minor, one minor is minus 2. M1 2 means first row, second column. What do you get? 2 1 3 4. It is 5. See, it is not a hard and fast rule, or it is not a standard notation. For convenience, I have taken like this. M11 means minor of order 2, first one. U12 means delete first row, second column. What do you get? 2 1 3 4. M13 is first row, third column. First row, third column. 2 0 3 2. 2 0 3 2. What is the value of this? 4. Therefore, these are minors of order 2. Next I take M21, second row, first column. What do you get? 2 3 2 4. So it is 8 minus 6 2. Take M22. M22 means second row, second column. You will get 1 3 3 4. It is minus 5. 4 minus 9. M23, second row, third column. What do you get? 1 2 3 2. You followed now how to calculate? Last one, M23. Here, last M23. M23 is you have to delete second row, third column. What do you get? 1 2 3 2. Square submatrix. I have taken directly determinant of that. That is called a minor. One minor of the matrix. What is this? It is minus 4. Am I correct here? Minus 4. 2 minus 6. Further, I write M31. What is M31? M31 means third row, first column. Third row, first column. Therefore, 2 3 0 1. It is 2. M32. What is M32? 3 2 means third row, second column. 1 3 2 1. 1 3 2 1. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. M33 is third row, third column. 1 2 2 0. It is minus 4. So totally there are 12 minors of order 2. Important, what is minor of order 2? Minor of order 2 means it is the determinant of square submatrix of order 2. That is called minor of order 2. How many minors are there? 12 minors of order 2 and 1 minor of order 3 and 9 minors of order 1. Order 1. All elements are known as, each element is known as minor of order 1. Therefore, a zero matrix is said to be, what is that? If zero matrix, then all the minors are 0 here. All the minors are 0. Now I think you followed how to calculate the minors. I leave one example as exercise. Compute the minors of all the minors of matrix 2 minus 1 3 3 1 0 5 0 3. Compute the minors of this. You try this as exercise. How to calculate the minors. With this idea, now we define what is the rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix involves minor. Rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. Suppose A is any matrix, maybe square matrix or rectangular matrix, any type of matrix. A is any matrix, then a positive integer R is said to be the rank of A rank of A if two conditions are there. There exists at least one non-zero minor of order R. First condition. Rank is said to be R if there exists at least one minor of order R and every minor of order R plus 1 or greater than R is 0. This is the definition of rank of a matrix. Say, understand first rank of a matrix definition important. A is any matrix. R is said to be rank of A, positive integer, if there exists at least one non-zero minor of order R. I explained clearly what is minor of a matrix. And every minor of order R greater than R is 0. I take, and it is denoted by rank of A. Rank of A row is denoted by this. Rank of a zero matrix is 0. Rank of a zero matrix is taken as 0. And try to understand this definition. I solve problems and the theorems involved on rank of a matrix in the next video. Okay, thank you.